Hi, welcome Priya. I upload videos usually on Tuesdays or Saturdays or both on fashion, beauty, styling, DIYs, hacks, reuse ideas, stitching, tailoring. If you are new to my channel, please do check out my previous videos. Thanks to all those who have already subscribed to my channel. Today's video is a reuse idea. Earlier, I have shared 3 bags stitching tutorial. In case if you haven't watched it, please do check it out. I'll mention the link in the description box below. Today's video is an idea or tutorial of sari cover stitching out of old nightie. So let's begin. As the maxis which I have are usually torn from waist or stomach portion, either the bottommost portion from right waist to the ankle length or the blouse part right from the shoulder to the waist is available. So I do get a cloth which is bit restricted. In this I will be using a cloth from waist to the ankle length for a sari cover, for which I'll be using a double cloth for each side. In case if you don't have a double cloth and you wish to stitch it or get it stitched from someone, you would either use any other similar color matching cloth or a non-woven to stitch it. For stitching, I have used my old sari cover measurements and measured it, which I purchased ready-made, marked it with chalk for the base. I kept 11 centimeter. I have marked 2 squares which I'll be cutting later. As my cloth is not pure cotton and slightly shaky in bringing material, so there was a problem in cutting, which I later leveled it and cut it after stitching. I also leveled it before cutting too. Then I stitched the portions where square was done. For those who are watching me for the first time, I have shared reuse ideas earlier too. My reuse ideas include reuse of old anarkali, in which I have shared 3 to 4 anarkali reuse ideas, styling, stitching and reuse ideas, in which I have used 2 old churidars to recycle into a multi-purpose dress, reuse of old palazzo which I converted into a ruffle skirt, how to reuse old handbags, purses, jholas as organizers, how to reuse old anarkali, in which I have reused 2 anarkali, which is a tutorial of how to increase a lehenga fair, how to reuse old auto palazzo to make it a short kurti, in which I'll be sharing a sleeveless kurti stitching tutorial which I have shared earlier, reuse of old maxi dress to recycle into a skirt, reuse of old nightie which earlier I have stitched 3 bags. This is again a nightie reuse idea. Do watch till the end to find out how it turns out to be. Also, do please check out these videos and please do like them and share, comment below in case if you find useful in any manner. Also, check out my other videos too, which include styling, beauty related makeup tutorials and what to do with leftover clothing ideas. Once I'm done with the cutting and stitching of the cut square portion, I will then get an idea where the cloth is not in a level. As you can see me in the video, I'll be cutting the cloth and leveling it wherever there was an extra cloth. Similarly, you will also see me almost at the end of the video where one of the piece of the cloth was less, a part portion in a triangular space, which I'll be cutting extra and stitching it after attaching the zip. For attaching the zip, I'll be first stitching it on the right side, keeping the zip on the wrong side. I have added the runner earlier. These are 2 plastic runners which I got from a local store. This is new and I'm not using a used zip or runner. For this, I'll be first attaching it from zip on the wrong side and the cloth on the right side. Then attaching it on the other side too. Then press stitching it from back side. Stay tuned. Keep watching how it turns out to be. For me, this idea turned out to be very useful, good, and I liked it. I hope this turns out to be the same for you too. So this is how I try to make my old boring torn nightie a useful piece of cloth which will be used to organize my clothes. I hope my efforts of stitching, filming and editing proved to be useful to you too. In case me below. Also, do let me know if you have any queries or any suggestions regarding my videos. Do check out my other videos too, in case if you have missed any. If you haven't subscribed till now, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and turn the red button grey. Hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video, which will help me grow. Thanks for your support who have already subscribed to my channel and waited so long to watch me. Thank you once again all for watching so far. It's because of you I could make a video after a long time. I truly value you. Do take care of yourself and your family. Meet you in my next video. Till then, do check out my other videos. Bye.